Are you struggling to find the arm angles on torsion axles? Well, you need our business card. Hey there, my name is Carson from Blue Swift Axles, and I'm here to tell you of why having our business in your back pocket can make your life a whole lot easier. This card was specially designed by our team here at Blue Swift Axles to help you find the arm angles on torsion axles. The mechanics behind this card are simple, allowing you to find your torsion arm angles within seconds. Simply take the diamond that you find on the card and align it with the diamond weld that you see on the torsion arm. Once that is correctly aligned and you've accommodated for all four corners, take a look over to the right and you will see an assortment of angles and lines. The line that runs parallel with the torsion arm is the degree of the arm itself. So in this case, we can see that 10 up is the line that runs parallel, making this a 10-degree up torsion arm. With our business card, you can easily identify torsion arm angles, making ordering a replacement axle a breeze. Needless to say, you can go from old torsion axles to new torsion axles with minimal downtime. With our business card, you can find the torsion axle that's right for you. Get your card today at blueswiftaxles.com.